Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Well, today we're in Grafton, Wisconsin, one of 3 Miba locations in the U.S. for industrial bearings, the others being in Columbus, Nebraska, and Houston, Texas. Miba is an Austrian-based global business which develops and produces functionally critical components along the entire energy value chain. Their products have been making an important contribution to the efficient and sustainable generation, transmission, storage, and use of energy for nearly 100 years. With Miba's innovations and technologies and their careful use of resources, they contribute to a cleaner planet. The Industrial Bearings branch produces hydrodynamic bearings for use in critical rotating equipment, including turbines, generators, compressors, gearboxes, and motors. These fluid film bearings support the rotation of the shaft and machine loads through a film of oil the thickness of a human hair. Because of their inherent stability, they are used extensively in power generation, as well as the oil and gas and petrochemical industries, among others. Miba's global engineering team helps solve technical challenges, and their product excellence ensures state-of-the-art solutions of the highest quality. When the fluid film is only the thickness of a human hair, the bearings require extreme manufacturing precision. In growing markets led by energy and defense, Miba Industrial Bearings is poised to increase its footprint in Grafton. The site is hiring and welcoming talented, driven people to join its energized and empowered team. See them at miba.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.